Okay, this is a video to show how I've got my Xbox 360 hooked up to my PC screen, and I can also have sound. Because this is just a PC screen, it doesn't have any speakers, of course, so I've got it plugged into the sound system, which I've created another review of on my channel. So anyway, what I have done is I've got the standard RCA lead for the Xbox. I think that's what it's called, or RCA or something, with the standard red, white and yellow cable plugs. What I have done is, and I've got the video going through a HDMI port. So what I have done is this: I have plugged the HDMI into the HDMI port on the Xbox 360 like so. Give me a minute while I can get it in. Okay, it's in. And also I have the standard cable plugged into the top. If you have the one that also has the green, red and blue one, it will not fit because it's too big and will bend the HDMI, so it's probably not a good idea. Anyway, you plug this one in as well. Then the HDMI cable, oh my god, where is it? Oh, it's falling down the back of my desk. Okay. The other end of the HDMI port, of course, goes into the monitor. Give me a minute so I can put it in. I'm just going to put the camera down. Okay, and then the audio cables, which is the red and white, go into the back of the sub that I bought. So red into the red spot and white into the white spot. And then after that is done, the Xbox will automatically know that you want a video through HDMI and the sound through the normal speaker thing. And I'll show you a video of it working in a jump cut. Sometimes it just does a little jump or a little start before it starts up, but it does start up eventually. It always starts up on the second time. So yeah, as you can see, it works. And yeah, if I go over to settings, just to show you, under display it always says HDMI plus A, which means HDMI plus external audio. So thank you for watching, and I hope that it's helped. If you do not have the standard cable like this for the Xbox, if you got the Pro version which only has the HDMI cables, you can buy this off eBay for about 10 Australian dollars. It also comes with a free HDMI cable. What you can do is this: you plug that into your Xbox as well, so it looks a bit like this. Like that. And what you can do is you can plug one of these cables into it. Give me a moment while I'm putting it together. Plug a red and white extender cable, so it's got a male side on that end and a male side on this end, and this end will go into the sub as well. And that way then you can have sound like that if you didn't get the standard